Florida really scared to get in the elevator with us.
Exactly. They're scared to get in the elevator with us.
They're scared to get in the elevator. This is like the 4th or 5th person that was shook to get in the elevator with us. Like, I'm not gonna hurt you unless you give me a reason to.
She gonna stay there. It's only 2 of us. You can't get in the elevator with us.
It's mad. That's the only space opportunity in here. But anyway, on a good note, vlog, it's Magic Kingdom Day. We're not on the way to Magic Kingdom yet, but we have to go get our matching shirts, and my brother's being difficult because he doesn't want to wear a matching shirt. But I'm like, you can't go to Disney and not wear matching shirts. Like, that's weird. So we're gonna go get matching shirts, and he's gonna wear it, and he's gonna like it or not. Too bad. Yeah, we came in Walgreens real quick to see what they got. We got a little selection here of stuff. These are the shirts we was gonna get from Target, but my brother wanted to be difficult. But I kind of like these tank tops. There's Mickey on them. So y'all, we back at Target. Like I told y'all, about to go get these shirts. Y'all, it's already hot. It's only 8:44 in the morning, bro. But we finna be cute. We finna be cute, y'all. We finna be cute. It's 78 degrees, y'all. I don't know what's up with black people, bro. We can never be on time.
You can't do shit on time.
We can't do nothing on
Just
time,
get the shirts.
y'all.
It's freaking 9 o'clock.
Bro, Magic Kingdom open at 9. And it's 9:02. And we still gotta get something to eat, y'all, because that hotel breakfast, it was garbage, okay? The hotel breakfast is doo-doo.
Can't do shit on time.
Can't, bro. Lord, have mercy. Oh, look at my little peach fuzz. My little peach fuzz sticking up, y'all. But I'm about to go back to the hotel. Get our life together. Get something to eat. Head to the park. Ooh, we cute. We cute. We cute. Oh, we cute. We cute. We cute. We cute. We cute. Oh, we cute. We cute. Oh. And she got the same ears as me, y'all. So, twins. Y'all, I'm mad at myself. Because I left my sunscreen upstairs. And I'm like, I got the black girl sunscreen. And that sunscreen is expensive. I need to be using it, especially being in this park all day. Mama wanted to take the ferry, so that's what we're gonna do, y'all.
England. If you get put into the next car, it's gonna have to.
So y'all, we just got into Magic Kingdom. Everybody was thirsty, so we had to stop and get something to drink. But let me show y'all this, y'all. This is literally a whole bottle. Like, this is literally our water bottles, our drink bottles for today. Tell me this is not cute. And it has the little 50th. It has the Disney's 50th on the little strap. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's cute. So I got one, as you can see. Mama has one. And then we're gonna go and get my brother one, but he's gonna get a Mickey one. He don't want to be walking around with no mini bottle. That's, yeah. So we're gonna go get a Mickey one from the popcorn store. Then we actually have a Genie Plus. If y'all don't know what Genie Plus is like the Fast Pass Plus that they used to have, but they made it Genie Plus and they added a few extra, you know, different tweaks and stuff to it. So we have a Genie Plus for the Jungle Cruise at 12:05, between 12:05 and 1:05. So it's currently 11:49, so we're probably gonna head there. Get on our Genie Plus for that. We'll get on our, you know, get on the Jungle Cruise then. And then I also have a Genie Plus for Haunted Mansion at 1:20. Because these two rides like fill up very oh, focus. These rides fill up very fast. Y'all see my ears? My ears are cute. It's very sparkly. It's giving magic. It's Magic Kingdom. But no, yeah, so these fill up very fast. So that's why I kind of snatched up the Genie Plus for those. And then once we check in for the Jungle Cruise, then I'm able to actually book another Genie Plus ride. And I'm trying to figure out which one I want to book for the Genie Plus after that. Because if y'all see the wait times right now for some of these rides, let me show y'all, bro. Look at the wait times. Big Thunder Mountain right now is 45 minutes. Buzz Lightyear is 40 minutes. Haunted Mansion 60 minutes, but as you can see, we already have a Genie Plus for that, so we don't have to worry about that. It's a Small World. Oh, It's a Small World is only 15 minutes standby right now. So we can actually go and get on It's a Small World right now. And we don't have to be at the Jungle Cruise until between 12:05 and 1:05. So we have a whole hour to get on that. So we can actually go and get on It's a Small World right now. Because the standby line is only 15 minutes, which isn't bad. Jungle Cruise is at 85 minutes. But you see, we already have a Genie Plus for that, so we don't have to worry about that. Meeting Mickey is 30 minutes. Meeting Princess Tiana is 60 minutes. Peter Pan is 55 minutes. That's not too bad. We are going into Adventureland, guys. I'm kidding you. Yay, look at the green. Jungle Cruise, Jungle Cruise. Y'all, I've never been on this ride, so I don't know. I mean, I've seen it online.
My next party will go right between the poles.
Please take a bow. My name is Lightning Wilderness William. I'm a jungle skipper, an alligator wrestler, a snake charmer, a lion tamer, a bad joke teller. If you don't laugh at my bad jokes, a swimming instructor. So, how many is first time on the Jungle Cruise? Raise your hand right here. Wow. Me too.
Yep.
That's right in the ball. Aren't they beautiful? Everybody say, ooh. Not bad, not bad. Everybody say, ah. You know why they call it inspiration quote? Just look at it. They say if you stare at it long enough, it inspires you to go. Now, for those of you here on the right is an African bull elephant. You can tell by his large floppy ears, long before it is tough. He is the only African bull elephant we have at the Jungle Cruise. Do not look behind you.
Shout out to Molly from alleears.net. If y'all don't watch that YouTube channel for everything Disney, I don't know what you're doing. But she's always said to keep refreshing so you can get better times. We do have a reservation for Haunted Mansion already between 1:20 and 2:20, but I'm looking for another one now because we just got off a Jungle Cruise. But y'all, this is our view. View of the castle. We're sitting in Cosmic Rays again that we were in earlier, where we got these minis. But we just ordered some food, so we're about to sit here, wait for our food, eat, and then we're gonna head to Haunted Mansion for our reservation time. When you order something online like this is what it looks like once it's ready. It'll tell you your order number, pick up location, your order number, and boom, that's how you do it, y'all. So we're about to go get our food. Alright, ooh, can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? No, y'all can't see me. Alright, y'all, so my mom and my brother went to go get our food. It's hot, like it is freaking hot. I don't know if y'all can tell, I feel like I got a tan on my forehead. My ears are cute, but like I said, we are waiting for our food. They went to go get it. It's currently 1:33. We still have ample amount of time left at the park. The park doesn't close till 10. No, the park doesn't close till 11. So we have wild time. We are gonna see the fireworks show later on. I'm still trying to figure out what other Genie Plus I should freaking get. I feel like I should do the Genie Plus for Peter Pan, because Peter Pan, I don't know if I want to do it for Peter Pan or for Pirates of the Caribbean. Or Space Mountain. Space Mountain is a roller coaster. But I'll figure that out once they get back, because my mom's probably not going to get on Space Mountain, so it'll probably just be me and my brother. I hope y'all can hear me. But I don't know, it's so magical, y'all. Like, honestly, like, get out of your state. Like, come to Disney, bro. Everybody thinks Disney World is so expensive, but it's really, really not. If you know how to plan it right and you save up enough money, and it's really not as expensive as everybody makes it seem. You just have to know how to plan for it. So yeah, definitely come to Disney World. The food has arrived. It looks so good, y'all. Oh, I gotta get a refill on my drink. Well, I got water in here. But we got our food. This is the burgers, the fries. My mom got a chicken sandwich. Me and my brother both got Angus burgers and the fries. About to eat, so we can go ahead and head to Haunted Mansion. We are here. Yay, Yeah, I'm telling y'all, it's really good to get Genie Plus. It's really, really good to get Genie Plus because we're skipping past all these people right now, y'all. Make sure when you come to Disney, get the Lightning Lane, get the Genie Plus, bro. I'm telling you, it'll save your life. You do not have to wait on these long lines. Going past all of them right now.
Stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors.
So y'all, I gotta put my light on real quick. We're sitting on Haunted Mansion right now and we're stuck. Like, the ride shuts down all the freaking time. Like, we're stuck. Like, we're literally stuck. We're sitting here. I gotta use my phone like just to vlog for this for y'all. So we'll see how long we'll be sitting here, y'all. Y'all, I'm so proud of my mama. She got on the ride. At first she was gonna come and she wasn't trying to get on anything. And I'm like, bro, it's Disney. You can get on most of these rides here. But you know, she don't do the rides no more. You know what I mean? The, you know, the up, down, left, right, roller coasters craziness. But she got on, y'all.
A few moments later.
So we sitting here. We got Small World at 3:15. We're gonna sit here and chill for a little bit. Figure out what the freak we doing. Oh, let me put y'all on, right? Here's a tip if you're coming to Disney, right? If you get these bottles, these little souvenir bottles, you can't put nothing but water in here, okay? No juice, no none of that. Just water. We could have kept the money and could have got a regular bottle for all of that. I mean, we do need water to keep hydrated. That's the best drink in the heat. But still, how you gonna tell me I can't put juice inside of my own bottle? Bro, this bottle is $16. And I'm gonna put water in it? But they didn't even let us know that when we got the bottle. So it's like, dang, bro, at least have a sign up or something to say that these are just souvenir for water. All right, you guys, it's time for our reservation for It's a Small World. We're about to head there now. It's a Small World Lightning Lane. Yay. Oh no. Do it again, right? Gotcha. Yay. Y'all, that was cute, okay? It was cute. What you say, mama? What? Oh. Let them know. Oh. 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 I told him that song gonna be stuck in his head, bro. It's definitely gonna be stuck in his head all day, all night. He's gonna be in the bed, catch himself singing It's a Small World. Watch. You said it was torture? If I could have recorded his face when they started singing, and he's looking like, I know y'all not making me get on this, bro. Alright, y'all, so we are in a pickle. We're trying to figure out what the freak to do, bro. So we don't know if we're gonna leave the park or if we're gonna stay here all the way until the park closing. It's 4:02 right now. And we have another Lightning Lane for Buzz Lightyear at 4:05, between 4:05 and 5:05. So we're trying to decide if we're gonna go back to our hotel after that, charge our phones, because baby, my phone is on 14%. Don't y'all hate when little kids stare at y'all? I want to flip the camera and put him on camera, y'all, but I ain't gonna do that. Should I do that? Nah, I ain't gonna do that, y'all. Anywho, this is like the hardest decision in life right now, to decide if we're gonna leave the park, because we can always come back. But there's still more rides that I want to get on. But my brother wants to leave the park. So we don't know what we're gonna do. I want the premium.
I want this cherry.
Yeah, this is what we're getting. Ice cream and frozen treats. It's not bad. Thank you. Y'all, so I finally got me a Mickey ice cream. Since I couldn't get my Mickey waffle, I got Mickey ice cream, y'all. Oh good. Right now we're online waiting for the Buzz Lightyear and Space Ranger spin. So of course we have a lightning lane for this. So y'all, all I got was 2,400 points, y'all. They cheated, bro. I don't want to hear it. We're not officially leaving, but we're going back to the car, charge our phones up a little bit, and kind of get our lives together until the fireworks show was later on. So, but my phone literally just died on me, and my battery for my camera is about to die. So I'm gonna see y'all when we come back in the park. Y'all, look at this foolishness. Got back to the car, and it is pouring. But y'all know that's typical Florida stuff. That's typical Florida activity. So we're gonna sit here. Y'all Florida weather's so annoying. You need to get your life, because one minute y'all wanna rain, y'all wanna be dry, y'all wanna be sunny, you wanna be cloudy, you wanna be hot, you wanna be cool. Like, make up your mind. We're on our way back to Magic Kingdom. Round two. Oh. Oh wow. Y'all, I must say, you have to pack your patience coming to Disney World, bro. You have to pack your patience, y'all. Because when I tell y'all it's a hassle, bro, it's a hassle. Y'all, let me let y'all know something right now. It's honestly a madhouse, bro. Everybody's like squished up against each other like sardines. Everybody's rushing to get to the monorail. Everybody's rushing to get to the freaking ferry boat. Y'all, so we are walking back to the car. It's about to be a walk, but I'm taking y'all on the journey, because it's definitely a journey. Could have took the tram, but people didn't want to. So now we gotta walk. When I tell y'all I'm tired, I am tired. I'm ready to get back to the room, take a shower, and get in my bed, bro. Magic Kingdom was lit. Magic Kingdom 1, Yelena 0. Cause baby, I am tired. Alright you guys, so we just got back to the room. Oh, I'm exhausted. We are all exhausted. We are tired. But we did it. Magic Kingdom, we came, we saw, we conquered. We're lit. But now, definitely enjoyed ourselves today. I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlogs today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, so that you post notifications so you always get notified whenever I drop another video. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace.